Okay, what the hell is going on? So this is part 2 of the damn video of our trip to Sedona, the Hoover Dam. Well, anyway, that's what this part 2 is. We went to the Hoover Dam, Sedona, and the Grand Canyon. I hope you like this. Let's get right into it. Yep.
Man, look at how far they're coming.
Used to be probably underwater right there. I don't know how much exactly it dried up since the 80s. It's right up there. What is this supposed to be? Looks like, I don't know what it's supposed to be. Oh, come on, the battery on this shit is tripping sack. Okay. I'm what? Cooling tunnel.
Dogs and cats.
They have every day of the year on this shit.
Tommy! I know, too.
There we go.
Betty.
Bella.
Brad. Brad.
Arizona. Now we're going to that bridge. You can see the actual whole thing. It's so windy. All right, over the edge.
Oh my gosh, look at this.
Yo, look, come look back here.
Fuck. I saw that one there.
Are you kidding me?
Are we sped?
Yeah, look what I just saw. Look at back. What?
Fuck that.
Oh, there we go.
Hey, look, did you see there's many hoop on that door? Yeah.
Look at this. Look at this. Oh, these are pumped up.
Bro, I'm just sitting here just...
Okay, so just past trail, Sedona, Arizona.
Nice.
Oh.
Look at this.
Which way are you guys gonna go? Oh, that's good.
So right there, there's one. No, I'm just kidding.
No, I mean, yeah. These are legit.
Yeah, I believe these are the
Yeah, that's
that apparently always have water in them.
Hold on. Let me lead you all in a prayer. We pray to with the little chubby fingers, baby Jesus. And for all this Taco Bell and Burger King.
What the hell is you guys saying?
His mom goes,
Why eat real things? Pray for your dad.
he goes, I want Burger King.
I wonder.
Yeah, that's true.
A little depth test here.
That one?
There we go. Check that out.
Look how deep it already is, even without that.
That's crazy.
Oh my god.
That one's not as... There's shit on the bottom. Whoa,
Yeah.
dude, whoa.
That's deep.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Oh, we need a bigger stick.
Oh, we got one.
Oh, I chopped down one of those 6,000-year-old trees.
Oh.
Hell yeah, dude. You better hit that cactus. This man almost cactused himself. Jason totally almost just hit another cactus.
Say I won't sit on it.
No.
I just have to move forward. Decently sized drop right there. Let's go see. Okay, just climb up that cave. Yo, Nikki.
What?
Look up.
Where the hell are you? Yeah. Wait, hold up. No, don't start. I want to get this on Snap.
Not too bad. $5.95 for a rug. $5.95. Not too bad. That other shirt. I bought a car more than that last night. 100K in rugs at least.
They do it by
100K in rugs here at least.
Look at Jason.
$18,000.
Oh shit, dude, these things are hilarious.
They do, sir.
Bro.
You're right.
I wonder if they cook them. No, I'm just kidding. Well, that would be a good business practice.
I love these things.
These guys eat free, but we have to pay.
Bro, they inspired the restaurant.
I know.
Those are pretty cool.
All right, boys, we're doing Cathedrals Rock. It's up there. Let's get. Let's go. Let's go. Get your cardio up, not your funny up, huh? Levy, if you're watching this, get your money up, not your funny up. And you owe me $175 for a hole in the door. Yep. Oh shit. Yeah. Camera does not do it justice.
Drop a
Let's go.
Like, how does he get up?
Mans can climb like.
Yo.
Giant.
Get the flashlight
moving
closer.
so
Put the flashlight closer.
It is, dude.
They just like.
You know, I
I
walked
never saw
around
some
for
shit
like
like that.
15 minutes looking for a damn tarantula and I find
Levy. We need a statue like this for the park.
Jason, do you want a picture?
Sure. Space rock. Flag down there.
Actually, realistically.
Grand Canyon National Park. So we're on the south rim. Let's go that, and then let's do that, and then at the end of the day, let's do that. I've never seen this with my own two eyes.
Close my eyes and see.
Ooh.
it's legit, right?
Yeah.
Like,
There's like a road down there. You're not the boss of me, honey.
No, you're not, honey.
you need to get out from that grass, man.
That's for real. Oh, it's right there. It's right in front of you.
There's no connection.
Uncle Steph.
Check this shit out.
I like 2 feet. You're hot down there.
Let's see how much I can. No, this how tours die.
Bro, can you please don't go too close?
Pull up right next to it, too.
Check this shit out. Route 66 gas station. I wonder if. Wow. I wonder if they even run these things though. They definitely do. Thank God.
There's no shot.
Who the hell drives?
There's a Bravis here.
Oh wow, damn dude. Who the fuck drives that out here, man? Respect for actually using it.
What's
though,
a
you know?
There's options here.
It's still a very good shot.
Yeah. No, I was going on Reddit.
So for some reason I lost the footage from the Devil's Bridge Trail, but we did take pictures. So I'll put a couple pictures up. But anyways, yeah, what's good? Yeah.
Sedona, baby. Oh no, that's so cool. That is so cool. Turn me up!
At the bottom, I swear I was going 90 miles an hour, dude.
Olympic star diver Jason Guard is next. He will be representing Japan.
Jason's coming.
It wasn't good. It wasn't worth watching.
And that's it from this neck of the woods.
It's cold as shit.
That's no joke, right?
That's the easy part.
All right, here we go. Damn.
Straighten up with the burner.
All right, anyways, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, and peace. I'll see you in part 3.